Hello, this is Kevin from CryptoMY. In today's episode, let me share some of the altcoins price prediction for today. So let's stay tuned. As you can see, this is the first one, Ethereum versus USDT. Why Ethereum? Because Ethereum adoption rate has been increased rapidly over the past few months. As you can know, Ethereum has been moved towards the proof of stake, no longer a proof of work where you cannot use GPU to mine anymore, but you can become a validator if you have a 32 ETH in your wallet or 32 Ethereum in your wallet to stake. So to become validator, you need to have 32 ETH. It's not cheap. 32 ETH means it's about 64,000 plus worth of USDT right now. But why Ethereum? If you can look at it, Ethereum has been rising in value and it has been staying in this resistance level for quite some time. Let me draw out the resistance level so you get to know what's happening right now. If you don't know how to use or how to draw using technical tools, remember to watch back my video. And again, I want to thanks to my sponsor today. This video is sponsored by MyTrade. Immerse yourself in a seamless trading experience and explore more than 400 plus financial market with CFDs. Regardless of the market directions, discover great trading opportunities with every fluctuations. Enjoy zero commissions, competitive spreads, flexible leverage, and fast and reliable order executions with MyTrade proprietary trading platform. You can enjoy and trade hundreds of hot market right now. You can also monitor live market trends, view trading analysis, and check the latest economic news in real time. Access different types of charts on the go with the ability to apply drawing without hindering your trades at all. So start trading with MyTrade today by signing up using my referral link below. Okay, let's get back to here, Ethereum versus USDT. In order for you to do this, of course, you're gonna find the support line, the support zone, which is here, somewhere around here. As you know, it has been 1, 2, 3 times before hits the $900 range, or probably 1,000 range to be exact, even number. Before it bounced back up again, and you can see here this is another resistance level which is falls around this area. Okay, as you can see here, the price has been pushed upwards to break the resistance level, but actually this is not really a breakthrough, because if you can see here, if you put here, this is the last resistance level. As you can see, it's quite similar from here to here. So the chances of breaking upwards, I would say at least a 2,200 mark. If the price went up 2,002 and stay above on the weekly chart, then the most likely it's gonna be high chances it will go up. But right now it falls back all the way to somewhere around this area. But I think that the chances of going up again, testing this area, is very high. So looking at the moving average line 20 and 50, it's quite near, and this is actually can be act as a support as well. So it falls under the moving average line 20 right now. You're gonna see it's gonna be stagnant around this, above this area, which is good, meaning that the buying pressure is high. Okay, so that I mentioned, I think the Ethereum adoption rate is very high. You can see here, there's a lot of meme tokens past months has been increased. A lot of meme tokens are built under Ethereum, BSC, but Ethereum is increasing well known right now. So if you ask me the next bull run, I think it's gonna be surge higher than Bitcoin when the bull markets kicks in. Okay, so some of the things that you might want to catch up or monitor, for example, some of the Ethereum family type of thing. One, I would say Lido DAO. Lido DAO is actually a very good project to invest called LDO USDT. As you want to purchase, if you can purchase, you want to purchase, go ahead and purchase. And what is Lido DAO? To be layman term, Lido DAO is actually aiming to allow people to stake Ethereum and other proof of stake cryptocurrencies. Just now again that I mentioned, if you want to become one of the validator in Ethereum, you need to have 32 ETH. If you don't have 32 ETH, what are your ways? The ways is one way you can stake in centralized exchange, but centralized exchange will charge you a certain fees because usually centralized exchange will have a pool, so everybody stake a little bit, make it a 32 ETH, and then you will go for staking or become one of the validator in centralized exchange. But let's say if you don't share the pool and stuff like that, you have like, I don't know, 1 or 2 Ethereum or probably less than that, or probably you have, as long as it's less than 32 ETH, what should you do? I think Lido is one of the best platforms where you can stake your Ethereum any amount in the platform itself. So if you want to see Lido DAO, of course, you guys can actually look out for Lido.fi, and you can do a lot of staking. When you stake, right? Okay, let me do a little bit background on Lido. Where you stake Ethereum in Lido, you will automatically get a synthetic Ethereum. Okay, so it's 1-to-1 actually. So Ethereum, if let's say if you invest or you swap 1 Ethereum in Lido DAO, or you stake or you submit, you will get 1-to-1, meaning that you will get 1 STETH in the platform. So you can use this STETH to stake all the dApps that you want, even different chains like Solana, Kusama, and also MyTrade. You can also use that to stake in their chain as well. So don't lose your STETH. If you lose that, means that you cannot recover back, or you cannot unlock your Ethereum that you just locked in Lido. But it's a good platform. As you can see here, if let's say if I don't have Ethereum, then the best way for me to stake would be on Lido DAO, because I can, as long as I have Ethereum with certain numbers, I can just swap it to synthetic Ethereum. I can just take my synthetic Ethereum to stake whatever I want in Lido DAO platform. If you want to know more, of course, I can share some of things like Lido.fi. Simple, quite simple. Just connect your wallet. Stake now. Just connect your wallet. You can see, you can stake now, and just stake whatever you want. Simple as that. Simple. I think it's good. Even Polkadot itself is offered as well here. Stake, receive ST tokens, use in DeFi. Simple, but it's good because I believe that this is one of the very first POS liquidity staking in Ethereum ecosystem. So this is going to be a very huge project. I think the next bull run, Lido might go even way higher than what it is right now. Okay, so the last but not least would be Arbitrum. Arbitrum is actually the scalability, of Ethereum. Ethereum has been the adoption rate has been increased, so the transaction fees and also the speed is very high right now. So Arbitrum solve all these when it comes to transaction fees and also speed, because this project actually focus on scalability, like how Cardano was right now, was before. So definitely, I think Arbitrum is also another project that is good to invest. So if you want to know more, if you want to research, I would say these two tokens, Ethereum. Aside of Ethereum, you can look for Lido, you can look for Arbitrum. I think do your own research. Okay, so that's all for today's episode. If you like my episode today, remember to click like, share, and subscribe. I'm gonna see you guys soon, and goodbye.